Hello, everybody. Welcome to my video. I'm gonna wait for a minute to see if anybody pops on here. I think I'm live. It looks like it. I wanted to share with you guys it's pretty much finished it's not really finished in that I need furniture from IKEA. And everything is not put away. I'm going to show you guys some piles of stuff. But we ran into some snags today. And so I had to readjust. It's just one of those things when you change everything around and you mix things up, things, don't. Hey, Debbie, you just have to adjust. So we got the desk in. So I'm ecstatic about this desk. So what we did is we took a hollow door. It's 80 inches long and it's 23 inches deep. And you can just get them at, your local hardware store. We got ours at Lowe's. It was literally like $23 for this long slab of wood, and it's a hollow door. So the problem with that is that it's hollow, so it's difficult to you can't just drill into it because it's hollow. Hey, Megan. But I'm pretty sure that the IKEA tabletops, they're hollow. So I think it's pretty much the same thing. So we got that, and then I had these three pieces here. And we still have a lot of finish work to do. So we have to put the finishing pieces on the bottom. But Esau lifted everything up, and it was kind of a pain because there was literally an 1/8 of an inch between all of the pieces. And so we had to get kind of creative and use some shims to get everything level. But we put these three pieces together. There's a perfect spot for all my cards. And then I organized all of those. And when I do my final YouTube video, where I do a regular YouTube video, I'll show you guys what's in all the drawers. I'm not going to do that right now because I'm exhausted. So and then we put legs here at the end. I just got my computer turned back on. Everything's working. I had to go get a longer cord to reach, but I did that and it looks amazing. I have a new chair coming, which is a drafting chair, so it'll be really comfy. So that got put in, and I'm getting all my desk stuff put back together. And you can see I have piles of stuff sitting everywhere because it's just endless. We have a bookshelf here at the end. And then my really large trimmer slips right in the end right there. So we did that on purpose. So I would have somewhere for my really big trimmer. Over here, I just have these 2 cube units because I just don't have anywhere else to put stuff. I need my IKEA piece to go here. And once I get that IKEA piece, I actually might put these cube pieces right here. It will just depend. So there's still a bunch of stuff piled here that I just don't really have a lot of places for right now. There's one box of stuff left for me to go through, and that's okay. There's this right here. Hi, Linda. Hi, Cindy. There's just a bunch of stuff. It's my microphone and tote bags and stuff like that will eventually go in the IKEA unit. So what happened today is originally I was going to put my ink pads, which are all up there. I was originally going to put them along the side of the desk. And if you remember before, my chairs were here and at the end. And when I started putting my ink pads up, I realized if I lined them all up down the edge, I wouldn't be able to reach them. So I panicked for a minute and I was like, what am I going to do? This is how my ink pads were going to be set up. The only other space that I had for my ink pads were up there. So what we did is we turned my entire desk, and now I'm sitting there, and then there's a chair here, and then the ends are open. That it's fine. It just was a little bit of a readjustment. And then I was going to get wider tabletops, but now I'm not going to because they won't fit. So it'll be too tight. So I'm going to get the same size tabletops, and my husband is going to add a little bit to the middle to make it a tiny bit wider. Okay, so I love this. So this is where I'll sit to craft, right here. So I have a few of my things out here. And then I got to put my trimmers and stuff on the side. So the great thing is I can still stick my trimmers on the side here, and then I'll have a trash can that will sit here. So that will be fine. And then I adjusted some stuff on my cubes. Hey, Chris. Hi, Sandy. So I adjusted a few things on my cubes. I just moved some things over so my paper is more directly behind me. I went through all my punches. I had a bunch of retired punches, so I slimmed down my punch collection. I still have a few that are retired up there that I just can't let go of. But then I got all my stamp pads. I'm missing my in colors. I'm missing 4 of my in colors. Oh, they're right over there. And then I took out the in colors that are retiring. So just in case you guys did not know, these in colors right here are retiring this month. Well, they don't retire technically until like the end of May, but I promise you they'll sell out. So I adjusted all of this and I got my stamp pads there. So I'll sit here and then all of my stuff will be behind me, which will be fine. I ordered the curtains and I got the curtain rods. And then I want black blinds, but can you guys believe this? I don't know if any of you have shopped for blinds recently, but apparently they now come without cords, like the cords that you pull. They're cordless, so you push them up. Obviously, I cannot push the blinds up because my window is so high. I absolutely need them to have a cord. You literally cannot find cordless, or you cannot find blinds with cords on them. So I really wanted blinds that were black, but I think I'm just going to have to get white and because I have to have ones with cords. It's like, what's more important, for them to be black or for them to have cords and me be able to open and shut them? So I ordered my curtains and they'll be here next week. And then I have to order the blinds and we'll replace those so they'll look nice. And the curtains that go here will go there as well. So the other thing that was nice about keeping this size island in the middle is all of my rolling carts can be here at the end. So this is super nice because I didn't really love them against the wall. And you can see I have a ton of space still in them. And then I flipped one upside down and my big shot is on there. And then all of my dies are on there. So that's super nice. There's still a ton of stuff stacked in this corner because, again, until IKEA opens, I cannot get the rest of the stuff. So once I get the rest of the stuff, all of this stuff that's piled here will not be here. Praise be to Jesus when all of this gets moved. Then there's some boxes here that are going to have to stay here. I have some decorative items, but I don't think I'm going to hang anything until I get the rest of my furniture because I'm afraid I'll put furniture in and something will change and I do not want to have to change around shelving or anything. I think the only thing that I will hang will be, thanks Chris for my pillow. This pillow came. Chris got it for me for my birthday, and I love it. It's going to go in my office chair. I think the only thing that I'll hang is this. I think I'm going to hang it directly over my printer. I think it's going to go right here, like centered. And I think that will be perfect. It's something that I had printed a couple years ago for a catalog party that I did, and I just kept it because it's on poster board, and it's really cute. It's Stampin' Up's Statement of the Heart. To love what we do, share what we love as we help others enjoy creativity and worthwhile accomplishments. In this, we make a difference. And I love that. I love it. So I think I'll hang it there and it'll look really nice on my blue wall there. So I'm just putting away piles of stuff and figuring out what kind of is still in boxes and putting it kind of in the corners that it will go. And then I have some more teal cubes coming. And I might order another set of black and teal. I might do some measuring tonight and see if the cubes are something that I will keep in here. And then things are going to get shifted around when I get the rest of the furniture. And I think that that is just, I'm just kind of accepting that that's how it's going to have to be, that I can't get everything exactly perfect in here because I just don't have all the pieces. But I really want to craft. I've been missing it. We've been doing this for all week now, and I'm exhausted from moving stuff around, and I have stuff to get up on my website, and I need to craft and do some lives. We have, oh, I didn't do a live today. I didn't do a creative live today for you guys, but I want to get back to that next week. So I'm hoping to be back to normal by next week and have most of this stuff out of here. I really did not, I got rid of a lot of stuff, but all of the stuff that I wanted to keep, I have room to keep. The other thing that I'll be able to do is run a cord. I have a cord laying here, and I'm going to try to creatively run it across here so that I will have power for my heat tool. And like sometimes I watch my iPad, or like if my iPad needs to be charged. The one thing that I really love about having the room like this is with my computer in the corner like that, I can put something on YouTube, or I can put a movie on and I can have it playing, and I don't have to worry about watching something on my phone or my iPad. I'm able to just watch it on my computer, and I love that. Where before, where my computer was, if I was creating, I couldn't see the screen. So anyways, guys, this is my update. I'm going to continue to kind of move things around and put things away. And I should be back to posting normally for you guys on Monday and creating. I'm so excited to get to creating. And we have Blessed to Craft kits going out. I'm waiting on an order from Stampin' Up. And as soon as it gets here, Blessed to Craft kits will be going out. So I'm excited about that. And I'll check in with you guys again maybe this weekend as things get a little bit more done. I will check in with you again and show you just how things are going. So I hope you guys are doing great. I miss you guys. I miss creating with you, and I will be back really soon. So thanks for hanging in there with me and checking out these updates. And I hope you have a wonderful weekend. I'll talk to you guys later.